Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We have a Ranger RCI 2950 DX today. This is from Miquel in Illinois, and it's a tune-up report. Miquel, this is what we got for this radio. 10 watts across the top. Here's 10 watts from the power all the way up. And if I turn the power down, they go all the way down to 1 watt. Turn the power back up. Now, 50 watt slug, reading power in there, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, check.
Okay, we'll go sideband. Upper sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breaker, breaker. 1, 2.
Okay. Let's put it on the air and listen to it. Make sure she receives well. As you can hear, she receives plenty.